Never forget when you're hurt by people who share the same blood as you, just remember Yusuf alayhi salam, who was betrayed by his own brothers. If you find your parents opposing you, remember Ibrahim alayhi salam, whose father led him to the fire. If you're stuck with a problem where there's no way out, remember Yunus alayhi salam, stuck in the belly of a whale. When someone slanders you, remember Aisha radiallahu anha, who was slandered throughout the city. If you're ill and your body cries with pain, remember Ayyub alayhi salam, who is more ill than you. When you're lonely, recall Adam alayhi salam, who was created alone. When you can't see the logic around you, think of Nuh alayhi salam, who built an ark without questioning. If you are mocked by your own relatives, family, friends, and the world at large, remember our dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah put these prophets and companions to trials so that later generations may learn a lesson of patience and perseverance. So endure with beautiful patience.